In this video, I'll show you how to add affiliate links to your Wufoo forms so users can easily access recommended products or resources while you monetize your form. Start by logging into your Wufoo account and opening the form you want to edit. Inside the form builder, look for a field type that displays information without asking users to type anything. The best options here are paragraph text or section instructions. Drag a paragraph text field into your form if you want to add a short explanation along with your affiliate link. In the text box, write a simple line like "Click here to learn more" and paste your full affiliate URL directly into the text so it's clickable. If you prefer a cleaner layout, use the section instructions field instead. This works great for highlighting links between sections of your form. Just enter your message and include the affiliate link in the label or description area. Once the link is added, save your form and preview it to make sure the link works correctly. That's it. Your affiliate link is now live inside your Wufoo form, giving users quick access to helpful resources while creating an extra income opportunity for you. Thanks for watching and happy form building.